another update of the garden. I guess it's about a month later now. And the main thing is, compared to the last video, which I just watched, is I just can't believe how much these trees have gone nuts. So, so yeah, that's one of the main differences is this tree especially, this momiji, Japanese maple, is incredibly thick, and it was almost bare a month ago. And this tree, which I really should know what it's called, but I don't, has blossomed. It's just lovely. It's kind of a lot of the petals are falling off right now, but you can see just how lovely it is. And what else do we have? This is the other momiji. I guess this is a different kind because it just looks different. The way that the leaves are coming out is quite different. Back here, a month ago, this is the katsura, which I guess is going to get quite huge. Anyway, this was bare a month ago as well, and now it's got lots of lovely fresh leaves. And what else do we have? So these really strange guys, which I didn't really show you up close last time, but they kind of look like this because this one hasn't really changed that much. But they're starting to emerge, and here's an example of one. You can kind of see these things are starting to unravel. It's pretty cool. Yeah, just some general growth here. Some of the stuff that he planted. And what else do we have? This is one of the plants I had in a pot that is kind of meant for the garden. So I moved it here without permission from our gardener. So he seemed to approve. These are, I should know what these are called, but I don't. These are a really iconic plant in Kyoto because they're kind of associated with one of the shrines here. And they need pretty specific conditions to live. They need to be quite shady, so they were planted underneath the biggest, or our leafiest tree, and they seem to be doing really well. And yeah, and I guess another thing that's changed quite a bit is the lawn has become a lot greener. And so this grass is kind of like a beach grass of some type, so it's not actually supposed to get very tall. It's supposed to kind of creep, and there's actually a bunch of sand that was dumped on top of it that you can see that I guess our gardener said, yeah, this grass loves sand, so that's why we've got that. And then this hasn't really changed too much, the service area. We have some plants. This back window here is, you can see from the bath, so there's some kind of decorative stuff there. And then, yeah, I've moved some stuff from the upstairs roof garden, and these guys are starting to blossom really nicely. I forget what these are called offhand, but these are actually, I bought these for, because they were when I was reading about mojitos, everyone uses yerba buena for oh no, sorry, this is different. This is for pimscup. This is the plant that you're actually supposed to use the leaves of in pimscups, so I thought it'd be fun to grow them. And yeah, they actually grow really well. They were super aggressive, so you're supposed to grow them in pots. And yeah, these are going to really go explode. You can just see right on the cusp. And yeah, just some random whatchamacallit, not spices, but herbs and stuff. And this is just a total mishmash of random stuff that I bought that has no rhyme or reason whatsoever. There's like wiry bushes here, there's mint, there's lettuce, there's parsley, and then I planted some type of pea variety back here, added a new row. So those things are going to climb up here. And then I've also planted cucumber quite a bit this year. So those are starting down there. And they will grow up as well. And then this row here is piman, which is like kind of like a bit of a, it's like a pepper, Japanese pepper. It's used a lot in Japanese cooking. I did this. This is the remains of the lemongrass that we had last year. So that was our most successful plant last year. It's the one that thrived the most in the hot summer. So our gardener just completely cut off the entire top of it and split it in half. So this is half of the size that it used to be, and we're hoping it's going to come back again. This is actually a bonsai persimmon tree that I bought a few years ago, and it was upstairs, and it's has lots of leaf action. And on the other side, this is also the lemongrass with the haircut. We're waiting for it to do its thing. So very exciting happenings in our garden, and thanks for listening.